Guys, welcome to my channel. Sorry if I start if I upload this really early. It is 5:40 in the morning. I'm really tired, so yeah. Sorry if I sing bad. I'm going to be singing "Someone Like You" by Adele. This is just a really good song that I like, and it just gives me the confidence I need for the morning. So I'm gonna sing it. Alright, let me find it. Alright, here's this one, I think. Here's this one. I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true, 'cause she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I had hopes to see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love and sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. You know how the time flies. Only yesterday was the time of our life. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I hope you'd see my face and that you would be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets, mistakes, or memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you say sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. I guys, thank you for that song. I'm gonna do like an Adele cover, like a few songs from Adele. So the next time we're singing is Rolling in the Deep. I can't really sing the song, like, so I can't sing high notes. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me after dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I lay ocean bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, which bring me out the dark. The scars of your love, they remind me of this. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The stars of your love, they keep me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I have heard one on you. I'm gonna make your head there. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there as mine sure would be shared. The scars of your love, they bind me up. Just they keep me drinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hand, but you played it with the beat. Throw your soul to every open door. Count your blessings to find what you're looking for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You'll pay me back in a kind of reaper's soul. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hand, but you played it to the beat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, #dumb when you subscribe, turn on post notifications for my giveaway that I'm doing. If you want more of that, check out my other videos. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.